Is Bitcoin going to break down from this point, or are we going to bounce from the support? That is the big question we will get answered today. Welcome to another video of Crypto Yapper, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will discuss about Bitcoin and some altcoins, and we will have a look for what's coming for this week. Get ready, smash a like, and comment under the video if you want. Bitcoin is at critical support. We can see Bitcoin is entering the support area, which already has some touch points in the last few days and weeks. And now we have to hold this support once again. Two things can happen in this area. We can bounce from the support and go up again, or we can break below. I think if we bounce, the next big resistance will be around the 44.22k. If Bitcoin breaks below this support area, I think we will see levels around this point, and that will be confluent with the 38k. And these are my three scenarios for Bitcoin. So you can see here are the horizontal resistance and support lines. If we break below, the next big support will be around the 37 or 38k. But if this weekly candle closes above the current support line, I think we will go back to the 47.5k or like the 47k, and we will see a retest of the resistance again, or we will break through, and then we will pave the way towards the 52k. So that's my weekly view, and these are the three scenarios. And I always think in scenarios because then you're always prepared what's going to happen next. You can't predict the market, but you can think in scenarios. So, for instance, if we break down, this will be my next point to accumulate. Uh, and if the supports hold, I think we will go back up. If we are like at this point again, it also could be that we break down the next level, and then my next level for accumulating will be the 31k. If we then look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see Bitcoin has been in this rising wedge formation and it broke down. And it also retested the support as, as resistance. After that, we fell down and now we're at the current support I was talking about earlier. You can see all the touch points we are at. So the next step for me will be, or we will be going to see a rise from this point, or we will break down. Either way, I'm happy with both things because if we break down, I will buy more. And if we go up, then my bags are on fire. For our chart, we can also see Bitcoin is making a bullish divergence. That means we are seeing on the chart, we are seeing lower lows. You can see lower lows, and this is an equal low. But on the RSI, we are making higher lows. And that indicates that the selling pressure is leaving the market, and we are going to see more buying pressure. Let's see if that can play out in the next few days. Let's see what Bitcoin can do in the coming days. If we break down, or if we bounce from the support, that will be the most important thing to look at for the coming days. So let's have a look also at some altcoins. I will look at Chainlink. On the daily pattern, it is on this megaphone pattern, and we can see higher highs are forming, but also lower lows. And this megaphone pattern is a typical bullish bias pattern because we can see it came from an uptrend. Now it's consolidating, and most of the time the megaphone pattern breaks out to the top side, retest the top side as support, and then continue its uptrend. And inside this megaphone pattern, we can see on the 4-hour time frame, Link is also creating this rising wedge with also higher highs and higher lows. So I think Chainlink will visit the top side of the formation, which will be around here. And I think that's going to be confluent with the $18. I also think buying Chainlink at these prices like $15 is a steal because in the next bull market, Chainlink can easily visit three digits, which will be $100. And I think buying at these low prices will make you very, very rich. So let's then have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is currently in this falling wedge formation and it's trying to break down at this point. On the 4 hourly chart, we can see it's trying to break down. This upper trend line is getting tested real hard. And now we have to see if the support is going to hold. If we break down from this point, I think we will visit levels around the $2,100 again. This is because this level functions as a resistance in the past. You can see several touch points as a resistance, and then we broke out. After that, we saw a lot of support from this point, several touch points. We came up, formed a falling wedge, and now we are breaking down. So if we are breaking down from this point, this will be my heavy accumulation zone, and I will buy in big for Ethereum. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to have a look on Bitcoin for the coming week. And of course, if you want to follow my updates, I will be posting on X, of course, every day. You can follow me there. Drop a like, drop a comment on the way out, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel. And also follow me on my other platforms like X, Instagram, and also here on YouTube. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.